Do you have a research paper? Want to publish it in an international journal and be famous? But are you worried about journal rejection? Don't be. Enago's author services are designed to make your paper publication ready. Our mission is author first, quality first. Nothing else matters more to us. Our copy editing service makes your paper meet all journal requirements for grammar, formatting, technical accuracy, style, and consistency. Papers submitted to this service are returned free from all such errors. Need more? Wait, we've just gotten started. You need re-editing. No problem. Our Edit Unlimited support offers free editing unlimited number of times till you're satisfied. You have questions for our editors? Bring them on. We won't charge you a penny. You need a certificate as proof of editing. You'll have it in your inbox. Remember the Enago promise. We promise you that your manuscript will never be rejected because of language. The result of all of this, publication success. So how do we do this? Today, we'll let you in on this secret. Unlike many others, we never hire students as editors. We only work with native professional editors from countries like the US and UK. Our concept of using only super specialization editors ensures that your paper is always in the best hands. Say if your topic of research is endoscope-assisted neurosurgery. We know an editor specializing in general surgery won't do. Even a neurologist just won't make the cut. We make sure your paper is edited by an expert in neurosurgery. That's what gives you nothing but the best quality every single time. Still not convinced? Ask more than 2 million authors who we have helped achieve publication success and some of the leading institutions we have worked with. Success is just a click away.